Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Food All Around. Today I will be sharing a very easy and quick no-bake dessert recipe. So let's check out the ingredients. 100 grams dark chocolate, 1 cup cornflakes, half cup roasted nuts and 2 tablespoons melted crunchy peanut butter. To a heat-proof bowl, add in chopped dark chocolate. Pop it into the microwave for 60 seconds. Mix in intervals and melt the chocolate. Then add in cornflakes, roasted nuts and give it a mix. Here I have added almonds, cashew, pista and walnuts. The cornflakes and nuts are coated well with the chocolate. Now take a spoonful of chocolate mixture and start placing them on the parchment paper. Once done, start drizzling the melted crunchy peanut butter. And pop them into the freezer for about 30 minutes. And they are ready to serve. Do give this recipe a try and share your pictures with me on Instagram and your views in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.